with me. I've had braids for a month, over a month actually. So I'm gonna be washing this dirty hair. Guys, this hair is so dirty, so I'm gonna show you how I wash it, and I'm gonna put in ponytail. Actually, I might need some treatments, but not today. I don't have enough time, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys some basic wash really. So these are the hairstyle that I'll be using. I'll be using this Design Essential Almond Sulfate Free Shampoo. I'm gonna be using this Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm also gonna be using Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. So I hope this would be good for my hair. I've not used this before, and my daughter used this. I think she used it one time, so I'm just gonna try it out and see how it works. So what I do is I section my hair into like 4 parts. I like to detangle it individually, because if I just put like a shampoo on my hair, trust me, my hair is gonna be like locked. So I do like sections. I'm gonna show you guys what I do right back. Now it's into 4 sections. So what I do is I use this Detangling Leave-In Conditioner to like detangle my edges, just because when I wash it I don't want it to break. So I'm gonna detangle that just to let it soften a little bit. Let's see how. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the other side. See how it is over here? It's like a ball. Just gonna add it and then soften it a little bit. See? That's what you need to do before you just comb your hair dry. You don't want to comb it dry because it's gonna break your edges. So I just detangle. That's done now. And then the next thing I do, I have my water here, and you can see I have like shampoo mixed with water. I'm gonna shake it up. Oops. Okay, then I'm going to spray. And spray all over my hair. When you have natural 4C hair, you have to do this, guys. Make sure everything is soaked and wet. I'm still on one side, guys. I'm gonna do a little detangling. You have to always start from the bottom up. Don't just do it like this, you're gonna break your hair out. Hold a little pace and just gently work your way up. See how it's easily detangled. That's how you do it. You work your way up, start from the bottom up. All right, this is the second part, guys. Washing natural hair, it's a lot of work. So this is my second side I have 2 more to go. So this is all done. You can see it's soft and detangled. You can see that? Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, I'm in the last part now. Just gonna detangle gently. Okay, so the whole thing is done. You can see that. I need a trim. I might just try to trim it once I'm done, but I don't know. See? Now I'm done. I'm going to be washing my hair with this shampoo, and then I'll be using this detangling conditioner as well. So I'll be back, guys. Let me go wash this out. Whew. My back hurts right now, guys. Man, I think I'm gonna take that option of locking my hair because washing my hair at home, it's been so challenging. Like the cleanup after washing is worse. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I've only washed with shampoo. Even with my detangling, I have knots that need to be detangled. Oh my god, this is what it looks like. And I'm still gonna do another round of detangling with conditioner. So I think I've tried. It's even dry now. It took me 30 minutes to do another detangling. Guys, this is my hair stuff. And it's time to... I even used the whole bottle of plus extra one. And look at this. It doesn't look like I put any conditioner in it. Okay, I'm gonna wash this. Done. Washed and clean. See my gray. Guys, I'm old. And this is the back shrinkage. I have not added anything to it right now, so just gonna be putting it in ponytail. I'm gonna be using this curl keeper and also my Larry hair butter. That's what I'm gonna be using, these two things. So, so it can be easy for me. Guys, I'm so tired. Okay, I'm gonna be using some Larry for my edges. See, my edges broke a lot while I was taking out my braids, so just gonna use this to grow back my edges. Some more. I can't do this anymore. This is too much. This is too much, guys. The amount of hair that I lost, I'm gonna show you. You guys ready? This is all the hair that I lost. I mean, it's actually more on the floor, but this is the ones I can gather. Even after detangling, there's more. There's more. This is somebody's whole head. Look at that. That's a lot.